So, absolutely no one asked for this video, but it's happening. Hello, my name's Pauline and I do things. I've forgotten to do that intro a few videos now in a row. I've just been too excited about everything going on. But yeah, let's get on to the doing things. I've had this idea floating around in my skull. Floating, you'll get why that's funny. For a few months now, it's been floating in my head. I'm just gonna say it. Tiny octopus earrings. They came to me in a vision. I had this idea on how I can make tiny octopus earrings out of beads, and I'm going to show you how I did that because you might want to make your own tiny octopus earrings. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know, you might be as odd as I am.
You gotta pick beads.
I used beads that weren't extremely small in the sense that they weren't seed beads, but they were small enough that it was easier to thread them with a needle. So somewhere in that size range. I don't know what the millimeter size was of them. And I decided to use blue speckled ones because I always love when like you see a polka dotted octopus. Those words together are great. I also selected little white beads. I tried to find black beads to use for the eyes, little, you know, little beady eyes. Beady eyes. The hole was too small for the needle, so I went with glossy white eyes. The first thing I did was thread like about 30 of them just to see what length I would want the tentacles. And I actually ended up going with 16 beads total to equal 2 tentacles. We're doing a trick here. So first, I started off by threading 8 beads. And then I threaded the earring. You can use whatever earring you want, whatever earring, you know, clip-on earrings or a hook earring. The earring options are endless. And then I threaded the other 8. So one string equals 2 tentacles each. And then I went ahead and repeated that 2 more times. Now you have to like keep making sure that they're lining up nicely so that they drape nice, because it's crucial for the last set of tentacles. I had to make sure that I lined them up properly so that they were at the front of the earring, which I didn't quite do very well on my first try. Better on this second try that you're seeing, because that's where the eyes were going. So what I did for the eyes is I threaded 6 of the normal blue beads and then a little white bead for the eye and then 1 more blue bead and then the earring, and then I did a blue bead, a white bead for the eye, and the rest of the beads. So that way the eyes lined up and it made a little face. Finish that. I always made sure to like triple knot everything and fray check the thread just for reassurance. We don't want our cute adorable earrings falling apart eventually. They're nice and strong and sturdy little octopi. And then I went back up and I actually threaded through the first 3 beads of one eye side, and then I kind of ended up making a smiley face connecting the bottom 3rd bead and went up through the first bead. So like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, making a little loop, and tied that to the earring just to secure the little face beads together so that they're always showing. And of course I knotted that 3 billion times per usual. And ta-da! Here we have this adorable, lovely little octopus earring, and its friend is on my ear. And now for the grand reveal. I was wearing my hair purposely like this so you wouldn't see. Octopus earrings. So here's the first one I did. She's been through a lot. It was hard to get here, but we got here. Like her face is facing forward now. See, this one is working really well. Like I made sure not to pull the strings too tight. That way they like hung nice and loose and weren't, you know, as tightly wound as she is. You know, she's a little more anxious. She's, you know, going with the flow. But here they are. Let me get closer. I also did my makeup to match. Can you see? Octopus earrings. Oh, she's so cute. But yeah, that's what I did this week. That's this week's YouTube video. I kind of like to stagger the longer, more intricate videos that take hours of filming and editing to every other week, because the last time I did two in a row, and yeah, it was a bit more than I could chew. So I'm trying to stagger like a longer video that takes more time, followed by a shorter, quicker video, just so I don't lose my mind. But next week, I'm very excited. I'm actually gonna be filming this video tomorrow for next week. Oh, it's gonna be a longer video. It's gonna be a cooking video, but get excited. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and like this video if you like my little octopi. I love them. Also, comment down below what I should name them. Like, I don't know what to name them. I can't think of anything right now, but if you do think of something, comment that down below. Like, I feel like you could make these with bigger beads and make like a necklace, like a pendant necklace or a keychain if you use wooden beads. Oh, that would be so cute. Or if you use like, have you ever seen those, like, you could probably do it with socks or with like big fluffy circles, but you could probably make these out of fabric and make like an octopus toy plushie, which would be such a cute homemade gift. Oh, they'd be so cute. You could even make it like knot rope and make it a chew toy for your dog. Honestly, I feel like this method could be applied everywhere. If you do this or something like it, send me a picture on Instagram and tag me at PaulineDoesThings, and I will shower you in emojis, because we love creativity around here. And also, something new I have to start talking about, I feel like, because I'm not used to it. You can follow me on TikTok at Pauline Makes TikToks. What an easy username to remember, but I do mini-minute daily vlogs each day over there. You know, you'll probably see these on TikTok for sure. Now I'm gonna go eat dinner and take some pictures. It feels so cute. Bye!